Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest and most misunderstood dishes in Filipino, cuisine pork dinuguan. At first glance, dinuguan might surprise some people. It's a rich, dark stew made with pork and simmered in fresh pork blood. The name dinuguan comes from the Filipino word dugo, meaning blood. But beyond its unique appearance is a deeply flavorful dish that has been part of Filipino food culture for generations. Historically, dinuguan reflects the Filipino tradition of nose-to-tail cooking. Nothing goes to waste. When a pig is slaughtered for special occasions, every part is used, including the blood. Instead of discarding it, Filipinos turned it into something delicious. That practicality evolved into a beloved comfort dish served at fiestas, family gatherings, and celebrations. The base of pork dinuguan starts with sautéed garlic, onions, and sometimes ginger. Pork belly, pork shoulder, or even pork offal, like intestines and ears, are added for texture and richness. The meat is simmered until tender. Then the fresh pork blood is stirred in carefully, creating a thick velvety sauce. Vinegar is essential. It balances the richness and prevents the blood from curdling, giving the dish its signature tangy depth. Some regions make it slightly spicy with green chili, while others prefer it thicker and more savory. The result? A bold, savory, slightly tangy stew with deep umami flavor. It's rich but balanced, hearty but comforting. And when paired with puto soft steamed rice cakes, the combination is iconic. The fluffy sweetness of puto perfectly complements the savory intensity of the dinuguan. For many Filipinos, dinuguan isn't just food, it's memory. It's fiesta tables filled with laughter, family kitchens busy with preparation, and recipes passed down through generations. It may look intimidating to first-timers, but one bite often changes everything. The flavor is complex, satisfying, and uniquely Filipino. And that's pork dinuguan, a dish rooted in tradition, resourcefulness, and bold flavor. If you enjoyed this Pinoy food story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.